right, well. Woo!
歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅，祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心。仲有人喺森林河流之旅玩得開心，仲有小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕陣嘅。
All right, let's go. Let's turn around and say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye, bye-bye. How about there? Bye-bye, bye-bye. Because we will never see them again. Yes. So on behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome aboard to the Jungle with a Cruise. My name is Jack, and I will be your skipper, a tour guide, and a swimming coach in these 3 days and 2 nights. So, before we start our journey, let's say some safety instruction. So please remain seated, keep your arms and elbows inside the boats. Otherwise, you may get bites. Okay? And take care of your children as well. So do you know how long is the length for this jungle river? Can you guys guess?
100.
100? No. It's 4,000 miles. So as I am an experienced skipper, I will travel within 3 days and 2 nights. So let's begin our journey. What's in the front? What we can see in the front? Elephant, right? It's a mother elephant and baby elephant right there. They are playing water. Do you want to play water with them? Yes, yes. Oh, no. Wait, Bennett, say no. We don't want to play water. Okay. Wow. Okay, how about on the right hand side? You can see there's a brother elephant right there. He's showering, but you can see all wrinkles on his body. So remind us, don't take shower for too long. Otherwise, you may turn to an elephant, okay? Alright, so what's next? Oh, wait a second, what's that? Is that a stone, a rock? Elephant, right? It's also an elephant. It's a brother elephant. But why he's under the river? Why is that?
It's a island.
Island? He's sleeping? No, he want to play water with us. You guys ready? I told you guys have to move to the front. Sorry at the back. I will bring the raincoats today. If no, 1, 2, 3, it's coming up. Oh. Okay, here's the prank. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to turn left. Oh no, where is this? Wow, the spider right there, you can see. Oh, wow. There's 2 more. It's bigger than your face, okay? Wow, there's 1 more. Don't jump on our boats. We won't get bites. Oh, wow. Okay, and we can see in the front, there's 2 crocodiles right there. So we have to keep silence and hold your breath. We have to advance forward, okay? Alright, we're all safe now, so let's go. Let's continue our journey. What's next? Oh, wait a second. You can see there's a crocodile just next to us. They seem so hungry, right? You know what? We call them crocodile. But what crocodile call us? They call us as a lunch. Okay? So don't put your arms outside the boat, okay? Alright, as we can see in the front, there's my friend's campsite right there. They are all my friend's scientists, the famous scientists who made them. Hello, gorillas! Where's my friend? Oh, and you've got Get down, get down, get down. They have a gun. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, I forgot to turn left. Okay. Whoa. You guys all right?
Yeah.
No one's get hurt? Okay, no one's get shot? Okay. Oh. Okay, we are now in African Safari. You can see there's a beautiful place here. So do you know, how do you recognize who is the female of the zebras right there? The left one or the right one? Who is the female of the zebras? The left one? No, the answer is the right one. But do you know why? Do you know why?
Beside her.
No, because women are always right. So guys, remember this. Remember this in your entire life, okay? So let's continue our journey. Okay, wow. The elephant say hi. Okay, there's one more. I think it wants to cross the river. Let's go. Okay, what's next? Oh, something. It's coming up. No, it's a hippo. Don't push on our boat. No way. Oh, wow. It opened its mouth. No way. It's so stinky. But there's one more. Wow. How many days that you don't brush your teeth? Wow, so stinky. Oh, as I mentioned before, my friend, the scientists, why is that? Shall we save them? They're in danger, but we still have some seats. Shall we save them? Anyone want to save them? You, get out the boat. Help me to bring them. Coming, okay, no? You guys are too selfish. Okay, let's go. We have to take care of ourselves. Let's continue. What's next? Oh wow, we are now in local territories here. You can see they all have a smiley face. They're greeting us. They are all cheerful, right? So once we are going to their place, what should we do? We have to say hello to them. Hello. Ah! There's an arrow! Get down! There's an arrow! Sorry, we stepped them. Let's go! Oh wow! What a greeting style! Why is that? You guys alright? Okay. Oh wow. We are all safe because we can see in the front there's the dog right there. So that means we are almost finished our journey. So let's go back to the dog, okay? Hope you enjoy this journey. Once again, my name is Jack. Hope you enjoy. Yes, thank you. Oh, wait a minute. We have to turn right. Wow. Woo! I should be go straight. What happened? No way. Oh, wow. What's that? I never came before. And I think we're in trouble. Because my boat has stopped. And I can't move forward. How about backward? Oh, no. Oh wow, there's fire right there! Oh wow! There's no fire! That burn? No way! Okay, no! Fire coming out! There's no one fire! No one out! What? Let's get out here! Woo! Wow! Are we made it? We made it? Yes, we made it, yes! Yes, you guys do so great and so brave as well. Oh, last but not least, we can see there's a baby elephant. Actually, he's following us in these few days. Okay, let's say bye-bye to him. Bye-bye. And because we almost go back to the dock, so remind you guys, you have to arms and elbows inside the boat, okay? And please remain seated as well, okay? Arms inside the boat. Thank you for your cooperation. We go back to the dock very, very soon. Okay, once again, hope you enjoy this journey. If you like this journey, remember my name is Jack. If you don't like me, just forget me, okay? Yeah, it's simple, okay? Let's count down in 3, 2, 1, and my boat has stopped.
然后挥挥手，然后香港 说声再见喽，拜拜。啊，这边还有哦，拜拜，再见啊，晚点见哦。好啦，咁我哋出發啦，咁代表我哋整個嘅 vacation 出嚟，歡迎咁多位大家嚟到我哋今日嘅森林河流之旅啊！我係你哋嘅船長導遊兼游水教練啊！大家好啊，我係 Yuki 啊，歡迎你們來到我們世界著名的森林河流之旅哦！我是你們的船長、導遊，還有游泳教練，我是 Yuki。係啦，咁樣提大家啊，記得你哋啲手腳要收喺船入面啦，啊，探險過程中記得要坐好。小朋友麻煩家長幫忙照顧啦。探險過程中記得為確保安全，你們都必須要做好。手腳記得收在船裡面，可以嗎？小朋友麻煩家長幫忙照顧咯。好，我哋而家睇右手邊啊，右手邊嗰邊咧就係地景大型森林之王泰山嘅樹屋啊。係啊，不過好可惜啊，前幾日泰山出咗門啊，係啊，去咗其他地方探險。下次有機會嘅話，咁啊記得過去嗰邊啊參觀下佢間大屋啦。好，我們現在呢就在森林裡面天長的河流哦，這裡有4000多公里，但是放心，我知道條小路，3天左右呢，我們就能回家去了。好，我們馬上就到森林的入口，我們看看有誰在這裡。對，有大象。哦，還有小青寶寶在這呢。你看一下，寶寶剛學會用鼻子噴水，很厲害哦。不但是不要噴我們哦，小心，它很滑稽的。哎，另外一邊是不是他哥哥？右手邊那頭。哦，他在幹什麼啊？我好像在洗澡哎。啊，但是洗的有點不乾淨哦。啊，我知道你洗乾淨了，看得出來，身上的皺紋很多啊。沒關係的，繼續努力。前面那頭是不是他的爸爸？我看到他的頭，對，他的頭在這裡，對，他躲在水裡面，好像要抓住我們。啊，走了，小心不要忘了，不要，小心啊，沒有人，原來睡着了，還好沒事。但是問題是他擋住我們原本的路，我們在這邊啊，這邊我也是第一次來，看看有什麼在這裡，好像有點恐怖。呢邊我咧第一次嚟嘅啫，有啲咩啊？哎呀，好大隻蜘蛛啊！你睇下，比我哋塊面仲大啊！係啊，哇！佢哋竟然可以喺度上網嘅啫，犀利啊！係啊，我啲手機嚟到呢度都冇晒信號嘅，係啊，上唔到網，好傷心啊！係啊，前面嗰啲係咪眼鏡蛇啊？你哋小心啊，佢哋好毒㗎，千祈唔好俾佢咬親啊！眼睛蛇是世界上最毒的蛇。要小心注意，不要讓他們咬到哦。要不要準備點吧？有啊，準備油條。原來沒關係啊，他們今天出門應該忘了戴眼鏡，沒有發現我們呢。前面的石頭是不是動了一下？哦，那個不是石頭來的，是鱷魚。你們的手有沒有收好？哇，出發時我就提醒你們哦，對，小心點哦，不要被他們發現。他們現在呢準備要吃晚餐了，對，不小心把你的手當成是晚餐就不太好了。誒，前面係我哋科學家嘅營地嚟嘅喎，但係點解啲晒夢想有嘅大隻？對，科學家們好像遇到夢奇，他們到哪裡去了？哇，他們有變小心。沒事，這次打就跟我要同，我們的可能有點快。好啦，我哋去前面啦，我發現前面好多動物啊！我諗我哋嚟到大草原啦。對，我們的大草原裡面好多的斑馬，但是你知道哪一頭是男生，哪一頭是女生嗎？你不知道哦，我教你們好不好？啊，聽清楚了，我只教一遍哦。男生的是黑底白條紋的，女生是白底黑條紋的，學會了沒有？學會了，那你太棒了。好，那自己可以慢慢跟一下咯。好，我開始先去估分啦。呢隻大象好奇心啊！呢條豬窩嘅大象啊，係非洲嘅。我諗而家最好嗰隻係嗰隻，係啊，最好啊！水裡面的泡泡是什麼來的？好像有東西躲在水裡面。哇，是很好，小心！那星期他們看到我們是最強的，小心點！還好沒事，他們只是跟我們打聲招呼，沒有想要麻煩。哎，原來那科學家嚟咗呢度，你哋冇事啊嘛？係咯，你 家装饰的很特别。对，哇哦，很漂亮，我也想拿一个酒。对，可不可以拿酒啊？后面哪里？在哪里？到了，他们躲起来了，躲到哪里去了？探头。我想過船嚟到呢度安全啊，各位冇事嗎？有沒有受傷啊？沒有，確定哦。要是有趕快通知我。現在還可以，最後找他們哦。沒有，那我們回去了，因為碼頭在前方啊，我們可以回家了。對，3天2夜的行程時間完結，謝謝你們陪着我一塊探險哦。小心注意，坐好。哇，好大水！還好這邊可以拐彎但是我拐到哪裡去了？好像有點不對勁。糟了，這邊不能進來的，需要往後，趕快！然後拐了一步，受不了了。前方安全了，对，但是我听到很熟悉的声音，又是你，小宝宝，不要以为你躲起来，我就没有发现到你没有吗？没关系被妈妈骂的，没关系你自己在这里冷静一下。好了，我们要回去了，各位要先坐好小心点，手記得收回牆裏面咯，好嗎？係啦，我哋準備翻上記得繼續坐好，手收翻喺船入面就得㗎啦。同我鄭 B B 講拜拜啦，拜拜啦，小寶寶。對，晚點再見。好，我們回去了。對，收錢嘛，不要伸出去，很危險的。對，我就是不聽話，所以現在要留在這裡因為我要陪個馬桶。